Logarithm tips and tricks. Logarithmic functions. Definition of logarithm with base b. Consider the exponential form as b power y equals to x. Here b is the base and y is the power and x is the argument. The logarithm form for this is given by y equals to log base b of x. Let's imagine a story to remember exponential and log form. Consider x has an argument with power y, as it has power over its base b. It locked x in the basement b. For exponential form, remember the phrase y is the power over base b where x is outside. To remember log function, y locked x in the basement b as y equals to log base b of x. Base b is same for both exponential and logarithmic functions. Two special logarithm values that you should learn. Let b be a positive real number such that b is not equal to 1. Log of 1 to base b equals to 0 because b to the power 0 equals to 1. Log of b to the base b is equal to 1 because b to the power 1 equals to b. Common and natural logarithms. A common logarithm is a logarithm with base 10. It is denoted by log to the base 10 or simply by log. A natural logarithm is a logarithm with base e. It can be denoted by log to the base e or simply ln. For logarithms, remember the phrase logging 10 branches, so for log base is 10 as in 10 branches. Hence simply use log. You can remember the phrase natural elements to remember the natural logarithms. With base e as e for elements. Properties of logarithms. Consider the product property of logarithm. Log of mn to the base b, which is equals to log of m to the base b plus log of n to the base b. Here we can see, product of m and n is in log function. Hence to separate them by using plus sign as they are together before. Remember the phrase product form, use plus sign to separate the log like product plus. Consider the quotient property of logarithm. Log of m by n to the base b, which is equals to log of m minus log of n to the base b. Here we can see, both m and n in fraction form in the log function. Hence to separate them by using minus sign as they are together in the form of fraction before. Remember the phrase for fraction form, use minus sign to separate log like fraction minus. Consider the power property of logarithm. Log of m power n to the base b, which equals to n multiplied by log of m to the base b. Here we can see, n is the power of m, which means it is heavy over m. Hence remove the power as a multiple of log function. Remember the phrase for power form, use multiple of log function. Change of base formula. Log of a to base c is equals to log a over log c to the base b. So consider writing log a to base c as ratio of log a to log c, so move the base c to the denominator as log c with base b. Remember the phrase basement below as denominator. Or simply use log a over log c. As it is log function, the base is 10. And it is same for natural logarithmic function also, we can write it as ln a over ln c. For natural logarithmic function, the base is e.